Alright guys, welcome back. Talk Tuesday. We're going to talk a little bit about cleaning your radiator. We got to clean this radiator up, so we put it in the practice bench. We're going to put some water in it, do the little shake, get it out of there, make sure there's nothing in there loose. I'm not going to put any distilled vinegar in it, anything like that, any harsh chemicals, nothing like that. I'm just going to use straight distilled water, get it clean, anything that's loose, get it out type thing. And what I do, and I'm going to show you kind of an easy way to do it. I just fill up a little bit of water on each side because it won't run real fast to the other side. We'll just put a little water on each side of the reservoir. Oh, it's not a reservoir. Well, actually it is reservoir ends. We'll put a little bit in there, cover it up with our fingers, and just shake the living poop out of it on each end and make sure there's nothing coming out of it. So, well, we'll find out real quick if there's anything in there loose or if it needs any, better thorough cleaning. Because if you get a lot of crud coming out of it, you're probably going to need to clean it a little bit better than what you, just a little shake here. Uh-oh. Wife's going to kill me. Who cares? She'll never miss it. So we'll take and pour this out in a white container that's clean. That way you can see if there's anything coming out of this radiator. You can shake it a little bit while you're getting it out of that way. If there's anything loose, it'll come out of the reservoir again. Yeah, that sounds weird. But yeah, this thing looks good. We'll do it one more time just for gigglies. And we'll get it clean as best as possible with a shake. I suggest if you don't have one of these bottles, get you one. They're real inexpensive. But you know how it is. Luckily we got our coffee today. It's been a pretty long day. But we're going to make it happen. We'll get all this out real good. Shake this in. Now I guess a little bit of talk while we're doing this, because we're just shaking the radiator around, making the water slosh in it. Been discussion on what I'm going to build in the Fantex 719 case. Well, what I think I'm going to do, real good clean water. Real good clean water. I drink that, but I don't know where this radiator's been before me. She's ready to go back on the Praxis and get the loop installed. I think what I'm going to do on the Etho over here is I'm going to build, I'm going to bite the bullet, build an AMD system. They're saying this 3950X is a really, really badass processor. We're going to see. We'll go from there and see how it is. If we'll compare the 10980XE to that processor. Same video card, same memory, different motherboards, a different processor, of course. But we'll try it with a 1080, GTX 1080 card, then we'll try it with a 2080 Ti. We'll see how they sit in comparisons. This will probably turn into more of an editing rig because I'm going to need something reliable. I like to get these videos out for you guys. I've been so busy, I just haven't been able to do the loop. Well, the loop's coming this week, guaranteed. Got the radiator clean. We're going to put the pump reservoir on it. Get the loop built, get it prepped. That way when the 10980XE gets here, we just stick it on this bad boy and let it roll. Another thing is I showcased the Canon EOS R, which is, it's tech. It's not computer tech, but it's still tech, guys. And this is the very first video I'm shooting on it. I'm actually shooting it with automatic settings. I don't know nothing about this camera. I'm just now learning it. So tell me what you like, what you don't like. I put the mic in a little different spot. It probably sounds a little different. Just let me know what I'm doing, guys. If you think I'm doing something wrong, especially with washing this little radiator here out, washing it out, as most people say. If you think I really should have put distilled vinegar here, tell me why. Harsh chemicals break down solder joints. I've seen it happen in big radiators. I'm not saying vinegar is a harsh chemical. I just don't know. I think that if anything's loose in it, this is my thoughts, my opinion, rinsing it out with just distilled water like it'd be going through your system will clean it, significant. If I'm doing it wrong, tell me. Let's debate it. That's what the comments are for, guys. You're not going to upset me leaving comments saying, oh, you should have used this. You should have. I want to research and find out why you think I should use this. Give me a reason why I should use it. That's what this is all about. Me learning, you guys learning. Everybody gets something from something, If there's, somebody said the mayhem stuff. I don't know what it is. I looked for it, looked at it. It's just supposed to be a prep, a system prep. If I really need to run it, tell me why. If I'm going to use distilled water, give me 1 second. And this cryo additive, to where all it is just keeps corrosion, keeps growth, this, that, and the other down, and change the water out every 6 months. If I get buildup, I'm going to see it. It's going to collect in the processor block, the CPU block, whatever you want to call it. So if you think I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I'll learn. I ain't opposed to learning new things. So I ended up with EOS R. They're saying it's a better camera for what I'm doing. If I have the money, spend it. I had the money. I think it's going to be a great camera for photography and videography. So I can get some videos for you guys that look a little better and get some photos for me personally. I got a nice big Canon printer that I print photos with. That way I can show my customers what I do, what signs I've built. So there's a lot of tech in what I do, as well as a lot of tech sitting on the table and behind me and over here that I work on. So, and I love it. I love doing it, but I don't know everything. So I'm learning with you guys just as well. So if you guys like it, like it. If you dislike it, like it. If you got a comment, put it in the below. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good day. Drink my coffee.